In December 2018, Factory2Fit participated in the annual Finnish Industrial Union meeting in Tampere, Finland. The event gathered over 130 union representatives from different metal, manufacturing, and paper factories in Finland. At this event, Factory2Fit organized a series of workshops where the participants could familiarize themselves with 3 of the worker-centric solutions developed in the Factory2Fit project. The first workshop was called "How was your day at work?" and focused on how our worker feedback dashboard solution provides empowering feedback of work achievements and work well-being. The second workshop was called "Could this be done differently?" and explored the use of our virtual factory tool as a platform for the participatory design of work and production processes. The final workshop was called "Give a Hint to a Fellow Worker" and discuss how Factory2Fit knowledge sharing tools can engage workers to share tacit knowledge at work. These workshops allowed the participants to see and discuss the innovative solutions that may soon be adopted at their workplaces. In return, Factory2Fit received valuable feedback on the acceptance of the solutions, as well as their foreseen impacts on work well-being and productivity. The workshops consisted of a presentation of the solution, followed by a discussion session and the completion of a questionnaire. Most participants took advantage of the discussion period to express their thoughts and ideas regarding our solutions. Over 115 participants filled in the questionnaire, and we will use this vital feedback to refine our solutions and ensure that they support the everyday needs of factory workers.